सीता घाट के विद्यालय का शुभारंभ किया जा रहा है। एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत किया जाए और इंटरनेशनल स्कूल का और शुभारंभ होने जा रहा है। आप लोगों से विनम्र निवेदन है कि आप लोग हाथ उठाकर पूरे दिल खोलकर तालियां बजाएं। टीका हो गया। अरुण कुमार जी हमारे बीच मौजूद हैं। बस कुछ ही देर में और जिसका इंतजार हमें वर्षों से था, for last 10 years we have been waiting for this moment that arrived now, and just give you a big round of applause. Assembly of God International School, Wasilpur, Arwal. The grand inauguration by Dr. Arun Kumar, ex-MP Jahanabad, among whom we have Sri Pappu Verma ji, MLA Khurda, Satyendra Ranjan ji, and more.
Nation India. India is not a simple geographical area, but it is a country not meant for the land area. It's a philosophy which attracts the mankind of the whole world. With the revolution of the communication, particularly I am talking with the teacher of the Assembly of God. You have the duty that each and every student of this Assembly of God must sway and go ahead uphold the name of the school. And that is not with the literal meaning. That is concerned with whole career of the school. From where you are sowing the seed, and the seed will, in course of time, it will come as a banyan tree. It gives shelter to all kinds of the living beings. So here, I am very much impressed with the name, and there you have the duty with that name. You must think that first teacher in the classroom, not I am asking the classroom, even alone you are sitting, there also you must have in your mind that you are the highest, you are having the highest position of the society. Teacher is the creator and mentor of the world, mentor of the nation, mentor of the family. You must think there should not be any distance internally or externally. So should be always alert. Your mind should be always dominated by the soul. Soul never brings towards the wrong thing. Mind brings towards the wrong thing. So the students coming from this Assembly of God must have the capacity to walk with, go along with the soul, not with the mind. And it is the opportune moment where the school must differentiate with the other school. This differentiation, you have the vegetative group in the state. The government is giving praise to the society, and next we are getting 16 IAS and IPS officers got position, has been listed in different position in the UPSC of this year result. And 120 or 22 students in the UPSC, they have completed IAS along with IAS and IPS. So you can imagine we are taking near about 30% seat from Bihar. In this district, if we try our best to go for density growth, for individual living improvement, you can go to this business, but this assembly of God must bring the student with a character.
माँ शारदे से गुजारिश है कि आप हृदय में विराजमान होकर हमारे हृदय को आलोकित करें, प्रकाशित करें, दीप प्रज्वलन के तुरंत बाद ही हमारे बच्चे आपके सामने प्रस्तुति देंगे। दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ ही आज असेंबली ऑफ गॉड इंटरनेशनल फैमिली